Hi guys, this is Isa from PrintStick in another Plan With Me video, and this time I will show you how I'm going to set up my monthly spread. In the last video I set up my main page, my front page, which is the desk area of my planner. So I added all these widgets and I showed you how you can add photos also and some hand-drawn like titles. So here, I haven't entered anything on my dashboard, but I accept these letters that are just widgets. Oops, right here. So you have two sets of the alphabet in different colors. So you can just copy these, and then go to your page where you want them, and then you would start building your titles. That's how I wrote this phrase. Next, I have my index. I also have not filled this out. I'm actually just starting this planner in September. I do have a lot of work to do here, but I just added some widgets to enter some quotes for now because I don't really know what I'm gonna put here. So, I just wanted to fill the space. I also have not done anything to my calendar, but really, as you can see, there's not a lot of room for extra stuff. So I'm just gonna start writing the important dates and birthdays and other dates that I want to remember. Again, I just enter some widgets at the bottom here. And this is my January page. Since I'm starting in September, this is an undated planner, so I'm just gonna jump right to September right here. And as you can see, it's all blank. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to date the planner. You will receive this sticker book as well in the download. And as you can see, if you go to your index, you have this section that says dates. So you have them in 3 different colors. If you look at the header of your page, it's gray. So I'm going to use the white option of weekdays. So I'm just going to select them all with my lasso tool. I'm going to copy them, go to my monthly page, paste, and then here I can make them, I think, a little bit bigger. And of course, these are all individual stickers. I'll show you. So you can rearrange them as you want, and you could start also on a Sunday. You can just change the order of the words. So I'm just gonna center all of these. There we go. Okay, so that's how I want my week to start on a Monday. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull my calendar from my widgets section for September, which is right here. Oh, September and October. I'll tell you why in a little bit. So I can select both of them with my lasso tool. Hit on copy. Tap and hold, click paste. I'm gonna put this down here. So I'm gonna keep October as part of my layout, and September I'm just using it right now for reference to know how to date my planner. So I can see down here that September will start on a Saturday, which is gonna be the 1st. So when I go back to my sticker book, this time I want the gray option, the darker gray option. So I'm just gonna select all of these numbers up until the 30th because September does not have 31 days. And then tap, copy, go to my planner, tap and hold, click paste. And as you can see, I have all of my numbers here. And they're kind of aligned, except that of course this is not this month will not start on Monday, rather it'll start on Saturday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lower all of these one level here, so I have some room to start in the correct boxes. So okay, so let's move. We're gonna have the 1st and the 2nd of September on the 1st week, or in the 1st row up here. That's Saturday and Sunday, so I just bring these 2 up, and then I'm gonna pull these 2 ones to the left, and then these 2 ones, and this one. Alright, so you can see this is the way you would arrange all of your dates on your monthly planner. I'm just gonna speed this part up so it goes quicker. Alright, so that was all of the month of September, and then you have different options. You can leave all of these other days just blank, and then you can use this area to put some washi or stickers or photo, decorate any way you want. Also, this space you could leave blank, but what I like to do, and what you can do if you want, is add the days of the month that's before September and after September. So that would be August and October. So October, we have it right here. If you look closer, you can see that, of course, it's gonna start Monday. You know, the first day of October is Monday 1st. So you can just go back to your sticker book and grab this first week. Since it starts on a Monday, it's already going to be aligned, so you just have to copy the whole thing, all the numbers, and paste them there. Done. And then since they're in a lighter color, you can tell that it's from a different month. Now I'm just gonna go back to my calendar to see when August ended. Of course, I mean, I should know this. It ends on the 31st, and we have this week from the 27th to the 31st. I go back over here and go back to my stickers. Alright, so I need from the 27th to the 31st, so those are the numbers that I will copy, and then click tab and hold, click paste, and then okay, it gets a little weird here because I don't want to lose these numbers, so I'm just gonna grab these first, place them there, and then these two, place them over here. Alright, so that's quite a quick way to date your planner actually, and now I don't need this September month anymore, so I'm just gonna delete it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add more widgets. You know what, this time I do want to use my Apple Pencil, especially because I don't even know what I'm gonna put here yet. I'm gonna rotate it a little bit. Let's go like this way more. I think this way I like it better. And I love this widget because you just put it there in case you don't know what else to use your space for, and then it takes up a lot of area and it looks really nice in my opinion. So that's pretty much how I want my month, and then I would go you know, I would enter the info as the days go by or as I have something to enter. So I already have some things that I know I'm going to be doing or I want to remember in the planner. So I can show you a photo of how that looks afterwards. For now, I'm just gonna go back to my sticker book, see if there's something that inspires me. So for example, I can just copy some of these stickers because they are cute and I know that I can use them as reminders or something in my planner. Let me make them a little bit smaller. This one too. So for now, I'm just gonna leave them here, and then when the time comes to enter my info, I lost, I left something. Okay, I accidentally moved this word. I didn't even realize. You guys probably did, but I put it back there. So I do want a little sticker to cover this header, to not leave it gray. So I'm just gonna go see what I can use. I think we can use one of these. So copy this sticker, go to your page, oops, paste it, and then it's quite big, so of course you can resize. But then if you see, if I go smaller, it'll be shorter than the image that I want to cover. So what I'll do, I'm just gonna tap on it and let it go first, and then click and hold and hit edit and crop, and then I'm gonna select rectangle, and I'm gonna go half of this box and half of this box. I think that's a good measurement. Hit done. And then now if I make it smaller, hopefully it will be a better size. Okay, I guess I can still, okay, I need to crop a little more, so over there I think. And then if I grow it a little, I think that can work. Yep. I like the way it looks, and it starts to add some color. I think that I would also like to have some color over here. So maybe I can use my highlighter. Let's see, let's do maybe this color or this color. And I don't know, maybe we can just, oops, it's a little too big, or maybe that works. No, it's too big, so make it smaller. Let's see, I can just go around the word to create like a little outline. Yeah, that's just like a hint of color, and then you can select it and change the color. So let's see, we go maybe some purple or this light blue. You know, you can choose whichever color you want. I think that I'm gonna keep that light purple. And also I want to add a little detail here, again, to have a little more color. So I'm just gonna select my perfect shape icon to make sure that my line is straight, and that was too thick, so let's make it smaller. And then I'm just gonna like underline my weeks, still too thick. And actually I don't want that color, I want a color that matches this little banner, so that's it. And I can, of course, just rearrange it a little. And let's see, maybe some purple. Yeah, I think that's cute. So you can see it's just little details here and there that allow you to add some color. I also want to look for a little checkbox or checklist. I'm gonna add a habit tracker, but not this color. Hold on. Let me, a blue one. I think I have purple. I want purple. So here, this one, copy, and then tap and hold, paste, and I want to resize it. And I think that I need to find my other book, which I have right here. This one is not included with the pastel color sticker book, but this one you can also get it at the shop. I'm gonna leave a link for this down below, but I have these flags over here. These are the ones I was looking for, so I want these this color, I think. No, actually I want the long one. Let's see, copy, tap and hold, paste, and then I have to resize them so that they will match the lines that I already have. So up a little bit smaller, I think. Okay, I think that this works. If you wanted to make it a little narrower so you have more room, this is a little trick. You can just crop it on the sides a little bit, and here too. Okay, it stayed big. I need to resize again. Make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Nice, so it's a lot narrower, so you have more room to write. So yeah, this is a simple and quick way of just setting up your monthly spread, and then you can just get right at writing and entering all the info of the things that you need to get done. So as you can see, dating this undated planner goes quick, and I think it's pretty cool. You have the option to select whether your week starts on Monday or Sunday, and also you can use this planner for all the years to come, as you can just reuse it and change the dates. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions at all, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thanks again, and see you next time. Bye bye.